we're on the right spot. So now what we'll do is we'll hit Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So this episode here, working on just a mobile little table. I ended up purchasing a little small CNC machine. So I'm going to build a little mobile cart for it to go on. Just something pretty simple, 4x4 posts, 2x4 rails, 5/8 plywood top. So something real quick and simple. So we'll get started on this. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to cut my post down. Now my post, I'm cutting them down to 32 inches. And the reason I'm doing most stuff you want 36. But in my case, the CNC machine sticks up about 4 or 5 inches. So to get it down to about where the top of the spoiler board is 36 inches, I'm going to make the table somewhere around 33, so we'll be close to 36 inches. So my post here 32, so depends on what size you're building. If you want a 36-inch table, obviously you need to cut a little bit longer. So we'll get the post cut and get the rails on here and get going on this project. So we got this top cut. I don't think you can see that. We got this top cut done here. So now I'm going to make the second cut down here for the bottom. Sure, square here. All right, I got the table flipped over. What I'm gonna do is add some blocks in here. Like I said, I'm gonna add my wheels here instead of on the end of the post like you might normally do. So, and I'm going to have to leave them out far enough because I want them to be able to swivel around. I don't want them here to where they always hit, because then it's pulling it out. It might kind of be a pain if they're not. Text improved to see possible finance. Text. All right, guys, we got this pretty much done. This little computer mount. So just built this sliding block. Got a threaded knob here. It's just gonna go up and down. Of course, it is gonna dig some holes in the wood, but that's no big deal. So we'll just set it where we want it. Tighten that down. Let it bite into the wood a little bit. And then we got the other. I didn't make this tilted. I figured once I got it the angle I wanted it, I didn't really need to tilt it much, but I did make it where to spin. So it's just got a dowel pin here, across the table here. So the dowel pin will drop in to your top bottom hole, like so. And then put some edges around, just keep the laptop from falling off. Set your laptop up there. So anyway, so there you go. So now we can open the laptop and let it sit there while we're working on it. So then we can, once we get the machine running, everything, we can spin it out of the way. So we can spin it around this way we need to. So we appreciate you watching, guys, again, and hope you like it. Appreciate it. Bye.